Very good. What's this little flap here?
The epiglottis.
The function of that?
Swallowing or keeping food from going down the wrong pipe.
Down the wrong pipe, so into the glottis and down into the airway, right?
So it's the epiglottis into the glottis.
Epiglottis is just the flap,
Okay.
and then the glottis is the little opening into the airway.
So the glottis is the one that prevents.
Epiglottis.
Oh man, I hate
Epiglottis
this.
stays closed.
The epiglottis is the little flap.
Okay.
Then the big hole at the back,
Is the
opening to the
esophagus.
Esophagus. Okay.
the hole on the roof.
The hole in the roof of the epiglottis?
Nope, the hole in the roof of the soft palate. Nasopharynx.
Nasopharynx. We knew it.
This.
Soft palate.
Hard
palate. Tongue.
The
Oh.
cilia.
No.
Sensory.
Sensory papilla.
Good.
Papillae.
All right, and the throat.
Okay. Larynx.
Good. What the heck is?
What is that?
So larynx,
Larynx.
is the voice box. Right?
Okay.
This.
Trachea.
Trachea, and it's got those cartilaginous rings.
Sphincters.
The rings.
No, what are the cartilaginous rings for?
Oh, they
To keep it structured.
Yeah.
To give it structure, to keep it rigid so it doesn't collapse.
Wait, are they called sphincters in humans then?
Sphincter is usually a muscle, something.
Am I making that up?
Yeah.
I'm making it up.
And what is this thin tube here?
What did I tell you? That's the.
Is it the thyroid gland?
No, that's the.
This is
throat.
where this is the pipe where the air flows. This is the pipe where the food flows.
Okay, so one's the esophagus and one's the trachea.
Right, it's trachea.
Trachea.
The one with the cartilaginous rings.
And that's the esophagus.
Yeah.
Right next to
And
it.
usually it lies posterior to that, so it's usually kind of
In the
underneath
back.
it, but I've already kind of pulled it out for you
Okay.
guys. These glands.
Those are
The thyroid glands.
No.
Wait, what?
Thymus?
thymus glands.
Thymus
So
glands.
there's two thymus glands, one thyroid.
Big thymus glands and then the thyroid.
Okay.
Okay.
We suck.
Then what is this cavity, this big cavity called?
Your starts with a. It's the.
Starts with the T.
Thoracic.
Thoracic cavity, and within the thoracic cavity are three smaller cavities, two that have the lungs contained in them, which are the
Something with a P. Plural.
plural.
Okay.
Nice.
Oh wow, nice.
And then one also starts with a P for the heart.
Pulmonary. No, that's
Pericardium.
Pericardial cavity.
Pericardial.
Excellent. Okay. And then remember left and right. It's the
Are
pig's left and
backwards.
right. So when you're looking down at it, it's the opposite. So this is our left, but it's the pig's right. Okay. So is this the right or left atrium?
Right atrium.
Right.
Right.
Atrium.
Left atrium. Right ventricle. Left ventricle.
Okay, and these are the lungs.
Mhm.
What's this muscle?
The
Diaphragm.
Good, know the function of that. And that separates the thoracic cavity from this lower.
Is that the only function? I thought the function
No,
was
that's
to
not the
enable
f-
breathing.
No, that's not the function is not to separate that.
Yeah, so I was
It
like,
just-
wait.
It does separate. That's just the
Yeah.
placement of it. So this is the big cavity here is the thoracic with the pleural and pericardial cavity, and then what's this cavity called?
Would it just be called the?
No way.
Abdominal
Abdominal?
cavity?
That's
Yes,
it?
yeah, that's it. What is the really big
Liver.
Very good. Has 5 lobes and embedded in it
Gallbladder.
is the gallbladder, and that has the little tube attached to it.
Okay.
The bile duct.
Bile duct.
This big pouchy.
Wait, isn't that the pancreas?
That's the pancreas.
Isn't it right?
No.
Oh, wait, no, it's the spleen.
No.
Oh, we're gonna stop.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you
Remember we
so
stabbed.
Wait, so
and
that's
opened
the
it?
stomach.
It's the stomach. That's so important.
Oopsie.
So big. What's this?
That's the spleen? Pancreas?
spleen.
Spleen?
Okay, so the spleen
The
is
spleen's
like
attached to the stomach.
It's not attached to it. It's not really
Like under
actually
it,
attached. It's kind of under it.
Okay, so the
Okay.
spleen. Okay.
What is this one?
Gallbladder.
No.
No. Pancreas.
Yes.
Is it? Okay.
Yes.
Just gonna
Guessing
name
that for
random things.
everything.
What is this?
The
Small intestine, large intestine. We cannot figure out the name of it.
We forgot the name of the thing.
Forgot
that
the
projects
name of
all.
it. So you looked through the lab manual then, and you discovered
It wasn't
that
in there.
It was a.
Nothing on the list. It was a.
It's called the cecum.
A cecum. Cecum. Okay.
cecum, that little pocket coming off of where the large intestine starts, right?
Okay.
What is this?
The
Colon. Good. This
Kidney.
This little
Ureter.
Ureter.
Good, and the ureter transports urine,
Urine.
from kidney to this structure.
bladder.
Good. Do we have a boy or a girl?
Boy.
We do. We know because he has
Testes.
testes. Good. Remember, males and females both have the mammillary papilla, which are the nipples.
Okay.
The males, externally, if you were identifying a male, they'd have a slight swelling here. The testicles obviously wouldn't be hanging out. They'd be tucked up in there. You just see the scrotum, but it'd be like a slight swelling in the back. And the females back here have that little flap of skin called the
Yep.
urogenital papilla.
Okay.
And the males also have right near the where did it go? Umbilicus. They have that little opening there, and that's
Only males have that?
yes.
Okay.
That's where that's the sheath. The
Oh,
penis is in
okay.
there.
Wait, do we need to know the leg region?
The muscle.
The posterior leg muscles.
Yeah. No. Okay, cool. Is that it?
That's it for the